welcome to my night tips. Today is Monday, and I have some football predictions for you. But first of all, I want to say congratulations to all our VIP subscribers. We've been a back-to-back winning throughout last week, and moving forward, I believe we'll do better. So if you want to join us and win the league, check my WhatsApp link in the comment section and chat me up. Subscription fee is affordable for everyone. It's a premium service, and then we'll give you premium tips. Okay, the first game we have today is in Romania Division 1, where FC Buto Sane is taking on FC Dinamo Burusketi, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. And the next game I have is in Poland Division 1, where Max Legnica is taking on Bluk Bait, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next game I have is in India Premier League, where Punjab FC is taking on Chennai FC, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next game I have is in Saudi Arabia Super League, where Al Cluj is taking on Haja FC, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals at full time. The next game I have is a game in the Indonesia Premier League, where Bali United is taking on Persib Bandung, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. As you know, in this channel, we provide you with tutorial videos on how to predict football match in different markets. So that means that you can be able to predict football match when you watch our videos. Check this channel out for those videos and it will be of help to you. Moving on, the next game we have is in Iran Division 1, where Estigal Molasani is taking on Ario Islamia, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next game I have is in Portugal Premier League, where Sporting is taking on Porto, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The next game I have is in Spanish La Liga, where Girona is taking on Alves, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. Moving on to the next game in the Greece Division 1, where Panserikos is taking on Olympiacos, and my prediction is over 1.5 goals. The last game I have is in Azerbaijan Premier League, where Karabakh FK is taking on Neftchi Baku, and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. And that gives us a total of 10 matches and 98 odd in total. So you can as well select few games in this ticket, and give that will give you 2 odds. Then you can also bet them accumulation. I want to say thank you for staying tuned, and also thank you for all our new subscribers and the previous one. So in this channel, we'll do as much as possible to make sure you make money through sport betting. So once again, congratulations to all our subscribers and all our VIP premium subscribers for all the winnings. I will see you tomorrow on our next video. This is the booking code for this game for those people using Sportybet, and these games are available on all platforms. So go to your local bookmakers and select this game and play. Thank you once again.